Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your TV to Wi-Fi. This is a straightforward process that will get your television online in just a few moments. First, make sure your TV is powered on and your Wi-Fi router is working perfectly. Grab your remote control and have your network name, also known as the SSID, and its password handy. You'll need these details to complete the connection successfully. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into your TV's settings. Using your remote, navigate to the Settings menu, which is often represented by a gear icon. From there, look for network or internet connection options. Once you find it, select wireless or Wi-Fi as your connection method. Your TV will then take a few seconds to scan for all the available wireless networks in your immediate area, preparing for the next step. After the scan, your TV will present a list of all detected Wi-Fi networks. Find and select your home network's name from this list. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. It's crucial to type your password precisely, paying close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, as most Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive. Take your time to ensure 100% accuracy. Once you've entered your password, confirm your selection to begin the connection process. Your television will then work to establish a secure link with your Wi-Fi network. This usually takes only a few moments. You'll know it's successful when a confirmation message appears on your screen, indicating that your TV is now connected to the internet. Congratulations, your television is now online and ready for all your favorite streaming content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.